Alright, what's going on YouTube? I am back again. Unfortunately, this won't be an unboxing because I pay for this firearm used. Now, the firearm that I am about to show you guys is a firearm that I've purchased before, but I end up selling it. But I am a collector, you can say, and I wanted this firearm. So, without further ado, here we go. This is a Raven Arms MP25 ACP. Now, if you guys follow me and you guys are subscribed to my channel, then you know I've already had this firearm. As far as the Raven 25, I did have it with the wood grip, but I ended up selling that firearm to someone. Of course, you guys probably already know a ton about this firearm, and if not, I can just say that from what I know about it, a lot of people say that it's not the most reliable. The firearm that I had previously, I never had any problems with it. So I haven't got to the range with this one. I picked it up Christmas Eve. Actually, gift wrapped it myself and opened it on Christmas. But I haven't got out and shot it yet. I picked it up from a pawn shop for right at $100. So once I get out, to the range, shoot it, I'll let you guys know exactly how this one performed.
So say good night to the bad guy.